Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Silverado Roofing Group. Congratulations to the incredible team at Silverado Roofing Group in Texas on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship every single day for years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Silverado Roofing story. Silverado Roofing Group is one of those rare companies that does a lot of things really well in both residential and commercial roofing. This company's a master certified commercial roofer. They do lots of big commercial roofing jobs, TPO, and virtually any roof system a commercial client could want, Silverado does really well. Silverado also does lots of small business roofing jobs, and Silverado does a lot of multi-family units as well, jobs such as condos and apartment buildings. There are many homes in this part of Texas under Silverado roofs. This company has a very broad portfolio of both clients and all types of roofing systems. The owner is a cool woman named Wendy Odell. She's always been a hard worker and a winner, even in college, when she was one of the top soccer players in America, a first-team All-American at the University of North Carolina. Wendy's discipline on the athletic field has translated into the business world. Her team at Silverado Roofing is very experienced and very professional. Her husband Mike is a project manager, and he's involved in every job. Silverado has shined after terrible storms hit Texas. They welcome and accept all insurance claims from hailstorms and related storm damage. If you have storm damage, your insurance company will appreciate that you're working with a trustworthy and respected roofer. The Silverado team's track record of honesty and integrity is the cornerstone of their business. At Best of the Best, we care most though about what real customers say about any business. The reviews and testimonials about Silverado Roofing on several credible websites are fantastic. Clients rave about the workmanship, the professionalism of the team, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Silverado Roofing every single day. Silverado is a GAF certified contractor. They have affiliations or certifications with every major roofing materials manufacturer out there, both commercial and residential. When we reviewed this company in 2018, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and had for years with zero complaints. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. This one does. Wendy and the team at Silverado Roofing Group have given back to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care about the people of Texas. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Silverado Roofing, a great American family business success story, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.